Yo, y'all, what up?
On a Lambo truck, wanna be like Ari. If you ain't faithful, you can't get it, girl, I'm sorry. Can I trade the Rolex watch for the Cardi? Across the corner, she gon' watch at the party.
We back with another video. Today is move-in day. That's right, y'all heard it. It's move-in day. I'm excited, I feel good, looking good, smelling good. It's been a long journey, it's been a long year, but today is move-in day. So I just wanted y'all to give y'all a quick little update of what's going on. I'm gonna give y'all an apartment tour. Gonna snap some pics. We finna turn up all day, you feel me? Like my anxiety is like racing right now. But we pull up. We finna pull up. When we pull up, I'ma show y'all my place. But it's been a journey, and the people that know me and know what I went through this past year, they know how much this means to me right now. So when I get my keys, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what everything looks like, and we'll be back. Feel like I'm in the NFL signing the contract.
Put me in your blog as the property manager.
I don't have to sign the bottom right here.
No, I'll take care of that. Yeah. So yeah, just get that filled out.
Alright, y'all, we just pulled up. Garage. Oh my God. Let's go. Alright, y'all. I'm back. I'm excited. I haven't even seen my apartment yet, y'all. So I'm waiting on my boy Dave to pull up. Your boy got his keys. We came a long way, man. It's been a long year, man. It's like it ain't even happening right now, but it's happening. This is crazy. Waiting on him, man. We gonna show y'all the tour. Cool, though. I got nothing but time.
He say he on his way. You gotta give him at least an hour.
Couldn't pull up. We in a new garage.
Let me see what kind you got.
Both of these smell fire.
We got Lakeside.
Couldn't pull
got
up.
some smell good shit.
Couldn't pull up without them, you feel me?
Roll that up, roll that up, roll that up. Woo! He say, Mi casa. The vibes is there.
I'm just ready to enter this key, put this key in. Waiting on this nigga to pull up.
You finna make me, I don't even fuck with her, but I'm finna play that shit.
This nigga finally pulled up, you feel me? What's up, fool?
Got the cut, legs spinning and shit. Pulling up and shit.
Yeah. Alright, man, what's up with it? Smelling good.
Smelling good like a motherfucker.
It's pressure so far. I wish I would put this somewhere else in the garage. Little whirlpool.
What you thinking of? Look, give me the other thing.
It's pressure. We finna go to the little living room. Ooh!
Good view.
Little living room.
Can see them coming a mile away.
Yeah.
Nice little view.
Nice little view. Big 85. You feel me? Big 85 going on the wall.
So where the couches and shit.
I'm gonna have to see when we get in here. I'm looking at my bag. Like, ooh, this pressure.
Okay.
Pressure. I ain't even know I had this shit.
Oh!
I ain't know I had this. The view.
Oh, they ain't ready for that shit. Oh, they ain't ready for that. They ain't ready for that shit.
Cloud me. Yeah, it could have been a little bit bigger. I still fuck with it.
Bad's gonna tell you everything you need to know for real. Ooh! The jacuzzi in the house.
Jacuzzi tub in this bitch.
Oh, big chillin' in the house. Hey, that shit already been bubbling type shit, know what I mean? Shit don't even matter. Have her tiptoe over here.
You don't even gotta come in the room.
Yeah. This right here, this is my favorite part. I ain't bullshit.
Right here. Hold on.
I ain't bullshit. You hear me? That's my favorite part.
Oh, and then
This a thumbnail right here. Are you real?